Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we introduced the overall hardware design and multi-brand capabilities of the Tabscan T6 Pro Max. Today, we're going one step further. In this video, we will demonstrate the real diagnostic and programming functions of the T6 Pro Max on a Mercedes W907 platform. We'll focus on practical workshop operations from full diagnostics in Zentry to advanced coding, programming, ECU exchange, and symbolic trace in DTS Monaco. Let's begin. As you can see, the T6 Pro Max is successfully connected and communication is stable. Now let's move into the software connect. Before we begin the software demonstration, it's important to mention that the Tabscan T6 Pro Max is not limited to a single brand. This device supports multiple OEM platforms, including Mercedes Benz, BMW, Volkswagen, Audi, Jaguar, Land Rover, Porsche, Volvo, GM, Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Ford, and more. It works directly with their original diagnostic software through J2500 and 34PDU and DoIP protocols. In today's video, we'll start by testing it with the Mercedes software. First, we'll begin with Zentry software. We start by launching Zentry, the official Mercedes diagnostic platform. Connect to Mercedes W907. Full vehicle scan, read fault codes. Access SAM module. Check ECU information and actual values. Inside the SAM module, we can access ECU version information, software and hardware numbers, stored error codes, actual values and live data, So far, we've completed full diagnostics using Zentry. Now, let's move to a more advanced level. We will switch to DTS Monaco, the engineering-level coding and programming software for Mercedes vehicles. This is where we can access deeper control unit functions, perform variant coding, flash programming, and advanced configuration. First, open DTS Monaco. Now we switch to DTS Monaco for advanced diagnostic and programming functions. Select Project, connect W907, Quick Test. Diagnostic service. Here we access the ORC177 control unit and open diagnostic services. Variant coding. Flash programming. Diagnostic trouble codes. Complete vehicle coding. ECU exchange and symbolic trace. These advanced functions confirm that the Tabscan T6 Pro Max is capable of handling professional, workshop-level tasks. Today, we demonstrated the real diagnostic and coding capabilities of the Tabscan T6 Pro Max on a Mercedes W907 platform. From full vehicle scanning in Zentry to advanced coding, flash programming, ECU exchange, and symbolic trace in DTS Monaco, the device performs reliably in a professional workshop environment. And this is only one brand. The Tabscan T6 Pro Max supports multiple OEM software platforms across many vehicle manufacturers. In our upcoming videos, we will test this device on other vehicle brands and demonstrate more detailed functions of each feature. If you're working with diagnostics, coding, or vehicle programming, make sure to follow our channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.